Welcome to another HTML for Beginners tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join our Discord server and be part of the Do It with Code community. HTML Doctype is the first thing that appears in an HTML document and tells the browser which version of HTML the document is written in. In this tutorial, we will explore HTML Doctype in detail and how to use it correctly. The doctype is not an HTML tag, but rather an instruction to the browser that helps it to render the web page correctly. In simpler terms, the doctype acts as a contract between the browser and the web developer, which tells the browser how to interpret the HTML code. The syntax for declaring a doctype is straightforward. It consists of the following keyword. The keyword is then followed by the declaration type, which specifies the version of HTML the document is using. There are different types of doctype declarations available for different versions of HTML. HTML5 doctype. Which is the current doctype being used? You may, however, find these other doctypes on older websites. HTML 4.01 strict doctype. XHTML 1.0 transitional doctype. Thanks for watching.